Hello and warm welcome, 1,000 thank yous for clicking on. Just want to show you this 73. The first one was bought on Christmas Day and it lasted a day. Boxing Day it didn't want to know. So I took it back on the 27th of December and got this one. It was replaced for this one. And this one, we got it on the 27th, we ran it sounded great, it was running great. And it packed up on yesterday, New Year's Eve, the 31st of December. So this one's going to go back, so it sounds good. It doesn't want to move. Don't know what's up with it. So this one has gone the same. I've looked on YouTube and there is people out there who's got the same locomotive as this. And theirs have gone the same way. They don't move and they're packing up really quickly. And so is it a bad batch? I'm not sure. This is the one with the sealed motor in. It's some people call it a can motor where it's sealed. Looks a great model. So why isn't it working? I don't know. But the man says if we take it back from the shop, he'll have to send this back to Hornby. And on YouTube the man has contacted Hornby for his money back and he's still waiting to reply. So if anybody's got any ideas, it was running round and I turned the power off and it carried on running. So I hit the emergency stop button, stopped the train, goes to restart it, just get the sound, no movement in either direction, doesn't want to know. Anyway, so enjoy your models. And if you've got any ideas and you're out there, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trains. Thank you.